Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do the heavy lifting so you can make smart purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we're diving into the world of drones with two high-flying contenders, the Holystone HS-175D and the TENSSENX GPS drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be one heck of a ride. First up, the Holystone HS-175D comes in at $229. Now that's not just a price tag, that's a commitment. Meanwhile, the TENSSENX GPS drone is a more wallet-friendly $169. That's a $60 difference, folks. You can either buy the Holystone and cry yourself to sleep over your empty wallet, or go with TENSSENX and still have enough left over for a decent dinner date, assuming you can find someone who wants to hear all about your new drone. Both drones boast a 4K ultra-clear camera, which is great because who doesn't want to capture their neighbor's backyard barbecue in ultra-high definition? The Holystone offers a 110 degrees wide-angle lens, while the TENSSENX gives you a bit more room to be nosy with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. Both cameras are 90 degrees adjustable, so you can get that perfect shot of your dog refusing to fetch. It's basically a tie here, but TENSSENX just edges out with a slightly wider view. Next, let's talk about GPS auto return. Both drones have this nifty feature, so they'll come back to you if they lose signal, fly out of range, or get tired of your terrible piloting skills. But let's be real. If your drone is smarter than you and knows when to come home, maybe it's time to reconsider your life choices. It's a draw here, folks. Both drones come with 2 batteries for up to 46 minutes of flight time. That's almost enough time to convince your friends you're a professional drone pilot. Both drones also offer altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one-key takeoff, landing, and speed adjust. So even if you have the hand-eye coordination of a potato, you can still look cool. Once again, it's neck and neck. Both drones are foldable and come with a carrying case. They're under 250 grams, so no FAA registration needed. Holystone says it's considerate, but TENSSENX calls itself your perfect travel companion. I don't know about you, but I don't need a considerate drone. I need one that's ready for an adventure. TENSSENX takes the cake here. Both drones come packed with intelligent functions like Follow Me, Waypoint Fly, and Point of Interest. But TENSSENX also throws in voice and gesture control, so you can literally wave your hand like a Jedi and control your drone. If that doesn't make you feel like a tech wizard, I don't know what will. TENSSENX wins this round. Overall, reviewers find the Holystone HS-175D to be an excellent choice for beginners, praising its ease of flying, picture quality, stability, and the included accessories. It's highly recommended for first-time users. On the other hand, the TENSSENX GPS drone is celebrated for its ease of use, durability, and affordability, making it a fantastic option for both beginners and experienced users. However, some users reported issues with the auto return feature, so make sure to test that out. So there you have it, folks. Both the Holystone HS-175D and the TENSSENX GPS drone offer incredible features and performance. But if you're looking for a drone that's easy on the wallet and packed with intelligent features, TENSSENX might just be your new best friend. What do you think? Which drone are you leaning towards? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep flying high. Product links are in the description.